Hi everyone, it's the 9th of April. We're still in lockdown. This damn plague is interfering with life, and I still need to cut my hair as well. Any suggestions, please write in. So, what if your washing machine...
cutting it for you?
Well, we're filming before my girlfriend cuts it.
We're doing that tomorrow.
What if your washing machine breaks down? You know, it could be something serious. It could be the drum, and then you are buggered. Really, you either have to get an engineer round or get a new washing machine. But
just wear your dirty clothes. No one's gonna know. Sorry.
So, if a washing machine stops working, the first thing to do before you call an engineer out or spend 500 quid on another one is check the filter. Now, you probably all know how to do this, but I know that a lot of people don't. The filter is always positioned in the front of the washing machine, and it's either on the right hand side at the bottom or on the left there. Now, the idea of the filter is that it collects all the bits and pieces, like coins that you've had in your pocket, hair clips, and it will somehow, I don't know how it gets through, but it gets through into the filter. So this is what we're going to check. Yeah, it's a slot machine. I've had, I've literally I've checked a washing machine where there was a slot of coins popping out, just like a slot machine. Anyway, so what we're going to do is check this. Now, okay. What I should have done before we do this is check how to open it.
Do you need a knife, darling?
Yeah, that might be useful. Some models you just have to push and it comes out. That's what I thought this was, but obviously I haven't done it before on this one. Now what we need is, okay, in some models you could actually remove this, and because what we need to do now is get something to catch the water, because there will be water coming through here, and it's just normal because it's just water that sits in there, so because it's already, you know, partly filled. So let's have a look. So this comes off like that. So what we'll do is we'll put a container here to catch the water. What we do, just unscrew it, and as you can see there's water coming through now. There's bits of dirt there.
No coins.
It would be quite good to have a cloth here when you're doing it at home. But cool, it stinks as well.
Ooh.
Oh.
What of?
So it's just stagnant water. That's what it smells of. So look at this, all this stuff here. This is all bits of hair and stuff like that. That's collected. So quite often this might be clogged up, and that's what's stopping your washing machine from working, because it can't drain. And there's a kind of a bit of software in there that will say, look, I've stopped working now. You've got to clear this up before I start working again. And so it could be that simple. So we'll just clean this out. It stinks.
I can't smell it from here.
It really stinks. Okay. Right. And just check there isn't any kind of clips and stuff stuck.
I got a whiff.
Okay, you could see the little propellant filter in there. And yeah. Okay, right, so so there's nothing in there, so what we'll do now is just put this back in
here. And remember, don't misthread it, so make sure it goes all the way. That's it, and it's really tight. Okay, and that is it. Put this back. And that's how you clean your filter for the washing machine. So, yeah, so and then call out the engineer when, if that doesn't work, then you need to call out an engineer, and remember to keep your distance apart. All right, guys, have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.